Alright guys, I Kirkus, you know. Yeah man, I see everybody asks why I make me leave the Newton team, you see me? The reason why I leave the Newton team guys, because me and Kev kick off guys, you see me? Right now, we don't see it, no more friendship, me don't want from Kev. Me and Kev need a family in the first place, you see me? We just keep the flow there as a family because the way me I live with Kev and South Style, but I tell you what really go on. You see me, Kev make a film get to head, you see it? And remember guys, say watch and see me, you know guys, me is a transfer student, you see me, I transfer from Spanish Town and I go to Eltham, you see me. Yeah man, you see, before I start go to school, before I start go over Eltham High School, before I start transfer to go to Eltham High School, everybody I say, yo, nobody never know Kev. Me basically when me know say all the people, somebody I know me, they know me, they go over high school, they really sweet, alright, you see me. But I go so boom now, start the video with Kev, because I remember I did have the highest followers in high school that time, you see me. So I go so now boop and say I share my platform with Kev and we are doing right thing, you see me. I believe in him and me I say, yo, me and you can do this together, bro, you see me. And be a little thing. This morning now I'm telling you what kick it off. This morning me I play one little match live, you see me. And me I cuss one girl, bro. You see me? Me not go call nobody name, bro, you see me. I cuss one girl dog. Him come, I pick up for a girl and I diss me over a girl, bro. You see me, dog? Kev me rate, bro, as a brother, dog. No family never know say me and Kev are name family. You see me? I'm rate Kev, bro, as a brother, bro. You see where I come from? And so comes now, me don't know, a man just a man a diss me over a girl, bro. She a girl by him KFC, bro, and some style, dog. You see me? He must tell the girl his secret or something, bro. He might diss me over a girl, bro. You see me? So that's why you know, so one time already. One time already, one time I'm up on a car with a girl, bro. You see me? Kev a call my phone and me a decline him, bro. Me send me a message and say, bro, me a talk to a girl, bro. You know what I do that? He ma cuss and I go on and I say, bro's over house, bro. She say you don't rate me. And so comes now, I go so now I hang up a girl, bro. That I'm a girlfriend, bro. Hang up a girl, dog. And talk to him, bro, and I chat to him, bro. Cause he say bro's over house, bro. That's what I believe in, bro. You see me? So, I tell you guys, that's why I'm left in Newton team, bro. You see me? Kev I cause of this, you see me? Me not like say me rate Raheem and Berry and Roger. Me don't send them a message already. Tell them say yo, me and them alright, you see me? But tell you the me now go on in a group with somebody, bro, where you help push up, bro, and then them a try for this dog, you see me? So that really go on, guys, you see me? And I really say I them take me out of the team, cause remember say guys, me somebody will help build the team, you see me? Cause most people say them know me, know the team from half of my side, you see me? But we just want everybody just enjoy themselves and do it right. I still have a post up dancing video still, but I'm not going on a team, you see me? But I love when you guys just keep on doing the right thing, you see me? Yeah man.